Hello friends, today we are writing and learning essay on Independence Day, 15th August. 10-line speech on Independence Day. Now we start writing. Number 1. INDEPENDENCE. Independence. Day. OFO. INDIA. India. IS is celebrated, celebrated, every, every, year, on 15th August. Independence Day of India is celebrating every year on 15th August. Number 2. The 15th August. IS is the most. Important. Day. History. India. The 15th August is the most important day in the history of India. Number 3. IT 8 IS is ONE1 OF the greatest FESTIVals democracy. It is one of the greatest festivals of democracy. Number 4. India God FRWDOM freedom from British rule. India got freedom from British rule. Number 5. The Army, Navy, and Air, Force, organize, PARADES, parades, on, THIS, this, SPECIAL, special, OCCASION, occasion. The Army, Navy, and Air Force organize parades on this special occasion. Number 6. STREET, street, HOUSES, houses, BUILDINGS, buildings, ARDECORATED, decorated, WITH, with, NATIONAL, national, FLAGS, flags, on, THIS, this, SPECIAL, special, OCCASION, occasion. Street, houses and buildings are decorated with national flags on this special occasion. Number 7. IT 8 IS is PUBLIC, public, HOLIDAY, day, holiday. It is a public holiday. Number 8. OUR, our, PRIME, prime, MINISTER, minister, HOISTS, hoist, THE, the NATIONAL, national, FLAG, flag, AT, THE, the RED, red, FORT, fort. Our Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort. Number 9. PRIME, Prime, MINISTER, Minister, DELIVERS, delivers, HIS, his, SPWC, speech, TO2, THE, the, CITIZENS, citizens, OFF, INDIA, India. Prime Minister delivers his speech to the citizens of India. Number 10. INDEPENDENCE, independence, DAY, TEACHES, teach, US, us, THE, the, REAL, real, VALUE, value, OFF, FREEDOM, freedom, and LIBE, hearty, liberty. Independence Day teaches us the real value of freedom and liberty. Now we complete 10-line essay on Independence Day. Now we complete 10 lines speech on Independence Day. I hope you will like it. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.